Real estate. It's the game changer, the wealth builder. And guess what? It's not just for the rich and famous. You don't need a trust fund or a celebrity income to get started. With just £5,000 or €5,000, you can dip your toes into this lucrative world. That's right. The dream of owning a piece of the earth is within your reach. For years, I've seen people from all walks of life achieve financial freedom through real estate. It's about strategy, not just big bucks. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. So if you're tired of the rat race and ready to build a brighter future, stick around. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about building lasting wealth brick by brick. It's about securing your future and creating a legacy for generations to come. And the best part? You can start today. Building wealth brick by brick. Why is real estate such a hot commodity? 3 words: passive income, equity growth, and financial security. Let's break it down. Passive income is like having money magically appear in your account every month. Rent from your property? That's passive income. Equity growth? Think of it like your property is a money tree, growing in value over time. Financial security? Owning real estate provides stability and a safety net for you and your loved ones. It's a tangible asset that can weather economic storms. In a world of uncertainty, real estate is a rock. It's a proven path to building wealth and securing your financial future. So, are you ready to lay the foundation for your financial freedom? Ready to dive in? Here's your step-by-step guide to real estate success, starting with just £5,000 or €5,000. Step 1. Set clear goals. What's your end game? Rental income, property flipping, long-term appreciation. Define your goals to create a laser-focused plan. Step 2. Assess your finances. Know your numbers. Calculate your budget, including a 5% down payment. Remember, even a small investment can yield big returns. Step 3. Research local markets. Location, location, location. Focus on areas with growing infrastructure and demand. Think like a tenant. What would they be looking for? Step 4. Choose the right property. Start small and smart. A 1-bedroom flat or studio apartment is a great entry point. Remember, you can always upgrade later. Step 5. Secure financing. Explore your options. Home loans, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or partnerships. Shop around for the best rates and terms. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to owning your first piece of real estate. Remember, knowledge is power, so keep learning and stay informed. Section 4. Avoiding common pitfalls. Navigate the real estate maze like a pro. The real estate world, like any other, has its share of traps. But fear not. By being aware of these common mistakes, you can sidestep them with ease. First, emotional decision-making. Leave your heart at the door. Real estate decisions should be based on logic, market analysis, and cold, hard numbers. Second, ignoring legalities. Don't skip the fine print. Hire a real estate attorney to guide you through contracts, zoning laws, and all the legal jargon. Third, underestimating costs. Hidden fees can pop up like uninvited guests. Factor in closing costs, property taxes, maintenance, and potential vacancies. And fourth, overpaying for property. Don't get caught in a bidding war frenzy. Set a realistic budget and stick to it. Remember, there's always another deal around the corner. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll be navigating the real estate maze like a seasoned pro in no time. Section 5. Your real estate journey begins today, one brick at a time. Remember Corvon Burgess? He started with just a few $1,000s and a dream. Today, he's a real estate mogul, owning multiple properties and inspiring others to achieve financial freedom. Corvon's story proves that with the right mindset and a solid strategy, anything is possible. You don't need a trust fund or a fancy degree to succeed in real estate. All you need is the willingness to learn, the courage to take action, and the commitment to building your wealth one brick at a time. So take that first step. Start small, stay informed, and never stop learning. The world of real estate awaits, and your financial freedom is just a property away. Are you ready to build your empire?